Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Ness. In this video, I'm gonna go through some of my picks that I got from the Schott NYC annual sale. I know it's been a month since that sale event because we don't really have time, and also we shoot some of the looks outdoor, so we just want to give some dedication in the apparel a little bit. This year we covered 6 items, and a total the amounts that we pay for these 6 items is only $130. You couldn't beat that price. I'm not gonna complain about some technical part because item that I pay for is very cheap. So let's review on these 6 items that I got from this sale event. The first item, which is this Bumber Jacket, they have a lot of box pockets, and all these pockets, the flap that you can see here, they are functional. You know, everything is functional. It's not really a decoration. You pull this out, right, and the side pocket, and on top of this side pocket they have a bigger pocket for you to put a lot of random stuff, and also they include the black zipper pull. You can replace this patch on your chest, place it in the sleeve of this jacket. How cool is that? And inside they have another 2 internal pockets in the right side and in the left. And this jacket we pay only $30. So that's why I don't want to complain about the quality of it. All I need to know is only $30 for this Bumber Jacket. I only see like 4 or 5 jackets like this on the racks, and they are sold out so quick. Everybody just come and wrap this. And one of the tips that for those who are planning to go next year, what I would recommend you guys is walk straight to the back, because the back is where you're gonna find a very good price tags. And for those who are really looking for leather jacket, then they always in the front. Let's go to the next jacket. This is the jacket that I picked for him. Even though when I look at the sizes, they don't have my size, but they have his size, so you know, I'm still looking after my younger brother, right? You see how good older brother I am.
Oh, hell no!
They have 3 different colorway. This is the dark blue Selvage denim on this jacket. Another one was like black and white stripe, and the other one was white and blue stripe. And this is the final one that we picked. This is the best pick that we got from this sale as well. The pricing on this is only $20. This jacket, they have 2 side pocket and the chest pocket on the top, and also on this pocket they have the X reinforcement stitch, and in the left side pocket they have the short workwear, an American original since 1913 style quality. And when you unzip it, the inside they use that Selvage denim because they have the lines right here, the red line. And in the back they just look like a typical denim jacket. Simple, but it's very clean. Man, I can't wait to see this type of denim jacket when they are distressed. And go to the third one. This is more like a woman's sizes. That's why you see it's a little bit small, and the size on this is XS, even though it's woman size, but it look pretty good on me, so why not? But it's a little bit tight on the shoulder. You know, men's shoulder, they are often wider and bigger compared to the woman's shoulder, so kind of restrict the movement on my arm a little bit. That's why I give this jacket to my mom. You know, I'm a good son, right?
Hell no!
The length on this jacket, they are very good for my height. Often when I buy some of the men's jacket in size XS, no matter how well they fit, but the length is always longer than what I want it to be. The jacket is only $20 as well. Inside of this jacket, they just basically have polyester lining in orange. And go to the 4th item on this list is this jacket. I got it only $20 again. That's why I don't want to complain anything about what I picked from this Schott NYC annual sale. If you complain about it too, like bro, you should never come to Schott NYC annual sale. First, I picked this for my younger brother, but he say it's a little bit small on him, so that's why I tried them on and it looked pretty good on me. So this is the one that I'm gonna keep. Luckily, this year I have a jacket for myself.
Hell yeah!
Last year I didn't really have anything because my size XS very rare. Unless you go to the women's section, then you can find something in the women's section inside XS. What I like about this jacket is the color. Even though they use fake fur, it still look very good. Another detail that I really like about this jacket is the zipper not in the center. It's more like a biker leather jacket type of zipper placement, and they have the standard 2 side pocket, and in the lining they also have 2 hidden pockets for you to put extra stuff in there. I love the orange color that they use for the lining of this jacket. Compared to the jacket, the previous jacket that I show you guys, that orange is a little bit bright. I think that bright orange color is suit for the woman's department more than this kind of dark orange, and it's go really good with the color. It's a little bit stinky though because of the wax finishing that they use on this fabric. And so let's go to the fifth item that I got from this Schott NYC annual sale is this vest. Again, it's only 20 bucks. What I like about this vest is the material that they use right around the pocket. They always use like a dark brown corduroys. And another detail that I really like this vest is the side pocket like this for quick access to your phone. This side pocket right here around your, like below your chest, man, it's really big. The entire pattern from here to down here. And the inside, the lining is the flannels. And they have another big pocket. You can put documents here or an iPad in this pocket, right? And in the left side, they have another pocket. And the last item is not here. It's a sweater. You can see he wear the cream color sweater with this vest. It looks very good from top to bottom. That is one of my favorite look from this video. And this is the vest that also I picked for him. I saw this, the quality is so damn good for $20, so I should grab it. On the Bumber jacket that he wear, that is my least favorite look in this video because like the jacket looks so cool. I would think about like a kind of techy look in this outfit, but he ended up wearing a dress pants with a boot. Man, somehow it works, but it's not really my favorite look. And also another item that we really want to get them, which is it's a leather jacket with fur in the lining and also it show in the collar. It looks so damn cool. The fit of it, man, look perfect. And that type of leather jacket, we haven't really seen a lot, you know. Often people wear like biker leather jacket or shirling. But the thing is, the price is not really amazing. $600, that is way too much for us to afford it. That's why we left it behind. If they had my size, I would get that jacket. And styling with this 5 item, I personally create 2 looks for this video. My younger brother create 3 looks for this video. And I hope you guys would enjoy it. overall, the experience on this Schott NYC annual sale was amazing. You know, I love come to this Schott NYC annual sale every single year. This year was the best experience because we caught so many items with very extremely affordable price tags, and some of these jackets, they are one of the kind. I don't really reviewing apparel that much, but if you guys want me to do more review in apparels, comment below in the comment section, and all I need you guys is give me more like in the video so YouTube can expose my video to more audience. That's what I need. And subscribe to my channel for more video. I have a lot of video coming up every single week, and I can't wait to share with you guys. I'm out.